welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are going to be making baked feta pasta, and I'm going to tell you in a bit how this recipe became super famous and it went viral. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and the exact ingredient with the measurement will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, and let's get started. Alright, now about how this recipe became famous. So it originated in Finland, and when it went viral over there, every grocery store in Finland ran out of feta cheese. It was that famous. And then when it came to US, it became famous for TikTok. And here I am making the pasta so you guys can enjoy it and know how creamy and delicious it is. Alright guys, recipe is all done. It came out super delicious and very creamy. So do try it and let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.